Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu and look for location icon. When you find it, just click on it. Then choose close in this pop-up, and as you can see when I go back, location of my device is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and choose location section over here. Now manage the location of this device by tapping on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!